Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Citizens Financial Group Inc. Annual Report. Citizens Financial Group Inc. offers a wide range of banking products and services to various customers. The company's consumer banking segment provides deposit products, mortgage and home equity lending, credit cards, business loans, wealth management services, education and point-of-sale finance loans, and digital deposit products through telephone service centers and online platforms. The commercial banking segment offers financial solutions such as lending and leasing, deposit and treasury management services, foreign exchange, interest rate and commodity risk management, syndicated loans, corporate finance, mergers and acquisitions, debt and equity capital market services. These services cater to a broad range of customers including small businesses, high and ultra-high net worth individuals and families, investors, entrepreneurs, companies, institutions, and various sectors such as multifamily, office, industrial, retail, healthcare, and hospitality. The company's diverse product offerings make it a one-stop shop for all banking needs. The significant surge in Citizens Financial Group Inc. (CFG) stock price by over 44.87% in the past year can be attributed to a combination of robust earnings reports, optimistic growth projections, favorable analyst ratings, and strategic capital management. One of the key drivers of this increase was the bank's strong financial performance, particularly in its fourth quarter and full year 2025 results. Citizens Financial Group reported a 32% year-over-year increase in net income and a 36% year-over-year rise in earnings per share, EPS, surpassing analysts' consensus estimates. The company's ambitious growth targets for fiscal year 2026, including a 30% earnings growth target, also contributed to the stock price surge. Additionally, several prominent financial analysts issued positive reports, raising price targets and reiterating buy or outperform ratings for CFG. Furthermore, Citizens Financial Group's strategic capital management decisions, such as redeeming subordinated notes and declaring consistent dividends on its preferred stock, were viewed positively by investors. The bank's private bank segment demonstrated steady growth in deposits and loans, contributing over 7% to pre-tax income in 2025 with a 25% return on equity. The company's strategic initiatives, including the integration of generative AI into its back office and customer service functions, also enhanced efficiency and supported future growth. Overall, Citizens Financial Group Inc.'s strong financial performance, optimistic growth projections, favorable analyst ratings, and strategic capital management decisions have contributed to the significant increase in its stock price over the past year. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. The financial performance of various segments and regions within the company has shown notable trends over the past year. On a positive note, the investment securities portfolio experienced significant growth, with an increase in fair value from $35.7 billion to $42.8 billion between 2024 and 2025. In addition, retail loans showed signs of growth, with an increase in amortized cost basis by $0.45 billion between 2023 and 2024. However, this growth was accompanied by a slight shift towards lower credit quality, as the percentage of loans with FICO scores below 620 increased from 4% to 5%. On the other hand, some segments and regions experienced decline or increase in risk. Stockholders' equity decreased by $0.2 billion between 2024 and 2025, while liabilities increased by $6.8 billion over the same period. Furthermore, the distribution of vintage dates among retail loans shifted towards older vintages, with a percentage increase from 34% to 36%. These trends indicate potential areas for concern and may require closer monitoring in the future. Management is emphasizing a proactive approach to mitigating financial losses by modifying loan terms for borrowers experiencing difficulties. This strategy demonstrates their commitment to working with customers to find mutually beneficial solutions. In terms of company outlook and strategy, management is also focusing on cost-cutting measures. The decision not to contribute to qualified plans in 2026 suggests that the company is prioritizing short-term financial stability over long-term benefits for employees. Additionally, the expected decrease in future benefit payments for pension plans indicates a shift towards more sustainable pension obligations. The company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. This is evident from the information provided on page 16, which states that semi-annual dividends were paid beginning January 6, 2019, with a rate of 6.375% until April 6, 2024. Furthermore, the dividend activity summary on page 18 confirms that the company has indeed paid dividends for the years 2023, 2024, and 2025. This suggests that paying dividends is a regular practice for the company, indicating its commitment to rewarding its shareholders through dividend payments. And that concludes the financial summary for Citizens Financial Group, Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.